Can I ask you a question? How's your hair? How's your scalp? When's the last time you detoxed? And how is your nutritional intake? Do you take vitamins? Are you vegan, vegetarian, pescatarian? What do you consume? These questions are very important because they do affect our hair growth. It does affect our scalp, and it does affect how our follicles are formed and what we see in front of us. I am Charma Moore, and on social media, I am Charma Moore, the Hair Restorer. I am a licensed cosmetologist of over 30 years. I am a certified trichologist of 7 years. I am a custom hairpiece wig maker. I create pieces for women who have lost their crowns, whether small, big, full head. I create pieces to help restore their look. I am also a recipe maker for hair loss products. And I'm so excited to talk to you today. It's so much that goes into forming our hair, and it started from birth. But while we're here now on this earth, we need to take care of what we have on our head. Choices such as fast food, breakfast, lunch, dinner, what to buy in the grocery stores, your nutritional labels. It's so much involved in making sure we have all the nutrients to even produce hair. Our scalp as well. Have you ever shampooed your hair and still had a nagging itch? It felt dry. So you scratch and scratch and scratch. That's your inflammation. And inflammation is one of the biggest causes of hair loss. So while we're thinking it feels good, while we're scratching, it's doing so much damage. So we have to tackle it. We have to tackle it. And then as far as any severe dermatitis, scalp eczema, to constantly have to deal with flakes on your shoulder, not being able to wear certain things because you'll flake up, you'll flare up. And that's due to a lot of the foods that we do eat. Between mucus-filled foods, our body's too acidic, there's so much that goes into it. And we can simply take it for granted. But duly note, we can help. I can help. Because it's different books and knowledge-filled information that I can't wait to share with you. So as far as that's getting back on track, I want to help. I want to help get you to that point where you can be comfortable. Let's get that inflammation down. I have hundreds of clients that I have helped. Some grow their hair, but some actually felt restored. Their esteem was restored. And in the meantime, better health, everything seemed together. And it helped tackle this world, this busy, busy world with our families, our lifestyles, everything that we have going on. It's nothing like feeling 100% in all that we do. So I'm here and I'm going to help. I'm Charma Moore, your hair restorer. Let's get started.